EverBank Financial went public this morning. The stock is already up. I'm here with the CEO, Robert Clements, so you must be pretty pleased with this kind of performance.
Yes, we're very excited to be here, to be on the New York Stock Exchange, and pleased that the stock is trading up today. But we have a real long-term focus, and we're very excited about creating shareholder value over the long term.
Most of your banking is done over the internet, so how difficult is that going to be to wean customers out of that bricks and mortar bank over to the internet?
Well, we offer an incredible value proposition. We do have a very robust internet banking platform, but we do business with our customers on the internet, through mobile devices, over the phone, mail, and then we do have financial centers, different markets, so you can interact with us in person as well. So we offer tremendous convenience to those borrowers who are sort of more self-directed, mass affluent, who really appreciate our value proposition.
You were able to buy some properties at pretty good prices, so is that going to be your goal going forward, is to continue to make acquisitions?
Well, the reason we went public and our desire to raise this capital is to support the tremendous organic growth we're experiencing right now in all our business channels. So we do look at acquisitions. We've been very successful at making strategic acquisitions, but right now our focus is on building our existing business channels. And again, we're experiencing tremendous growth, and the company has never been better positioned than we are today for future success.
You are in Florida. You bought the Florida bank. So how is Florida doing? Because we hear so many mixed things out of that area that it's recovering. No, it's not. What are you seeing?
The Florida market is stabilizing. There are still some pockets that are fragile, but we're really a nationwide banking franchise, both in terms of our asset-generating businesses as well as our deposit franchise, and with a particular concentration in some of the more attractive MSAs, and we're really focused on penetrating those markets going forward.
With the current legislative environment, it's really dicey with banks. There's a lot out there, and no one really knows where it's all going to pan out. What's the one piece of legislation that worries you the most?
Well, the Dodd-Frank bill has placed a lot of new requirements and burdens on our organization, but I'm really pleased with how we've adapted to arguably some unprecedented changes in the regulatory environment. We've made the investment in our infrastructure, and we're really positioned now to grow this company, and without having to make the same level of investment going forward. We'll really see some operating leverage now that we scale our business.
And what do you think is going to be your biggest challenge in the coming year?
Well, right now we're just, again, lots of momentum across all business lines. We certainly hope that the economy is going to continue to rebound and gain its footing and grow. Obviously, we're mindful of potential weakness, that the economy could experience some weakness going forward, and we really make sure we manage the company to prepare ourselves to do well in any economic cycle.
And where do you see your key customer base being?
Well, again, it's a nationwide business.
Well, the mass affluent, the underserved?
Well, we really focus on a more sophisticated, self-directed customer, again, who really values our unique products and our services, gives our customers lots of convenience to interact with us while offering them a very competitive, attractive rate.
So going for the more, well-versed and well-educated customer.
Yeah, I would say in general, we have our average customer balances are about 3 times the industry average. And again, it's I guess you could call it a mass affluent customer base. It's a very attractive customer base that we have very sticky, long-term customer relationships, very incredibly high retention. Our retention metrics are 98% compound annual retention, which is, I think, arguably the best you'll find in the industry. So once we get a customer, they really enjoy banking with EverBank.
All right, so that is EverBank CEO Robert Clements.
This market is
stock pickers market.
Stocks have rallied this year.
We're coming into a Monday where we're getting